Hey everyone, hope everybody's doing good tonight. We'll get started in just a moment. This break is going to be an NBA Hoops 2020 Hobby Box. 8 cards per pack, 24 packs, including 2 autographs. Let's go over the team spots. Eric Williams just got done with the random 30 minutes ago, and here's what we got. Terry has the Bulls, Derek, Hornets, Riley, Knicks, Walt, Nets. Todd has the Sixers, Dudley, Cavaliers, Derek with the Heat, Nick with the Trailblazers, Eileen has the Suns, Terry, T-Wolves, Mike has the Celtics and the Pacers, Riley has the Jazz, Derek, Mavericks, Joe, Wizards, Ben, Pelicans, Michael has the Nuggets, Sam, Kings, Dudley, Warriors, Terry, Thunder, Ryan, Spurs, Derek has the Bucks, Michael has the Raptors, Joe Kramer has the Clippers, Brock with the Grizzlies, Zeb Knight, Magic, Brian, Hawks, Bentley, Lakers, Sam, Pistons, and Terry has the Houston Rockets. All right, guys, wish everybody luck. When we're done, we will do a recap of all the hits. Also, to let all of you know, we got our confirmation today. Basketball certified hobby boxes have been shipped. We should get them in the next 2 days. And so we'll be listing certified basketball this year's hobby boxes. Can't wait to get it in. All right, guys, here we go. First pack. Wish everybody luck. Very nice on the back. I think everybody saw it. James Wiseman, rookie card, Golden State Warriors. Very nice, Golden State. Dudley Moorhead, congratulations, sir. Dylan Brooks to the Grizzlies. Bogdanovich, Jazz. Bryant, Wizards. Al Horford, Sixers. Van Fleet to the Raptors. Spark Plugs, R.J. Barrett, foil, very nice, to the Knicks. Najah, rookie, Denver. Porter Jr., Nuggets. Sexton, Cavaliers. Marvin Bagley, Sacramento. Lonzo Ball, Pelicans. Langford, Celtics. Lakers, highlights. Davis, very nice. There you go, Bentley Mead. Congratulations, sir. Very nice hit. Pritchard to the Celtics. And Patrick Williams, rookie, Chicago Bulls. Whiteside, Portland Trailblazers. Giannis to the Grizzlies. Dwayne Bacon, Charlotte Hornets. R.J. Barrett to the Knicks. Morris to the Lakers. Hypnotized. Trae Young, insert, Atlanta Hawks. Stanley, rookie to the Pacers. And Ramsey, rookie card, Kings. Aldridge, Spurs. Griffin, Pistons. Fournier, Magic. Shamet to the Clippers. Ja Morant, Memphis Grizzlies. Very nice. Karl Malone, tribute from the 1990 insert set. Very nice, to the Jazz. Here you go, Riley Case. Quickly, rookie, Knicks. Anthony Edwards, rookie, Minnesota T-Wolves. Very nice, Minnesota. Here you go, Terry. Jimmy Butler, Heat. Barton to the Nuggets. House to the Rockets. Karl Anthony Towns, Minnesota. Kemba Walker, Celtics. Jalen Smith, we got next, rookie to the Suns. Lewis, rookie card, Pelicans. And Precious, rookie card, Miami Heat. Chris Paul, OKC. Turner, Pacers. Carter to the Bulls. Another Ja Morant, very nice, to the Memphis Grizzlies. Trae Young, Atlanta Hawks. Elfrid Payton, Knicks. Now playing Josh Green, insert, to the Mavericks. Bay, rookie card to the Pistons. And Tyler Bay, rookie, Mavericks. Cameron Johnson, Suns. TJ Warren, Pacers. Leonard, Clippers. George Hill, Bucks. Mark Haken, Bulls. Very nice. Purple, Michael Porter Jr. to the Denver Nuggets. Devin Vassell, Spurs. Mannion, Golden State. Andre Drummond, Cavaliers. Walker, Spurs. Ayton to the Suns. Lou Williams, Clippers. Matthews to the Bucks. Futures of the game to $9.99. Buddy Held, 167 of $9.99. Nice hit, Sacramento. Ballamaro, rookie, Minnesota. And Tyrell Terry, rookie card, Dallas Mavericks. Schroeder, OKC. Josh Jackson, Grizzlies. Kevin Durant to the Nets. Richardson, Philly. OG, Mbanye to the Raptors. Now playing silver foil, Carey to the Hornets. Aleska, OKC, and Isaac Okoro, rookie card to the Cavaliers. Still have both autos in the box. Clark to the Grizzlies. Hunter, Hawks. Bogdanovich to the Kings. Caruso, Lakers. LeVert to the Nets. Legends of the game, Shaquille O'Neal to $6.99 to the Lakers. Bentley Mead, congratulations, sir. Nice hit. Melvin, rookie, OKC. Cole Anthony, rookie card, Magic. Collins to Portland. Hachimura, Wizards. Tyler Hero, Heat. Covington, Rockets. Culver, Minnesota. RJ Barrett, City Edition insert, Knicks. Stewart, rookie card to the Pistons. And Nakor, rookie to the Bucks. Cody Zeller, Hornets. Baisley, Thunder. McCollum, Portland. Green, Golden State. Caldwell Pope to the Lakers. Dallas Mavericks. Grant Riller to the Hornets. And Tyrese Halliburton, rookie card, Sacramento Kings. Nice hit, Sacramento. There you go, Sam. Anthony, Portland. Graham to the Hornets. Gafford, Bulls. Looney, Golden State. Anthony Davis to the Lakers. Nice hit. Anthony Davis, purple variation to the Lakers. Bentley Mead, congrats, sir. Very nice hit. R.J. Hampton, rookie card to the Nuggets. Very nice hit, Denver. And Nick Richards, rookie to the Hornets. Donovan Mitchell. Jazz, John Wall to the Wizards. Prince to the Nets. Harris to the Sixers. Ibaka, Raptors. Flynn, we got next. Rookie card to the Raptors. Tillman, rookie, Grizzlies. Woodard, rookie card to the Kings. Dragic, Heat. Harris, Denver. Simmons, 76ers. Gasol to the Raptors. Westbrook, Rockets. Boom! We just pulled one of these out of the box 2 days ago. What a hit. Anthony Edwards. Purple variation rookie. Minnesota. Very nice, Minnesota. Congrats, Terry. Josh Green rookie. Dallas. Hayes rookie card. Detroit. Jamal Murray, Nuggets. Love, Cleveland. Nicolina, Knicks. Montrezl Harrell to the Clippers. Eric Bledsoe, Bucks. Obi Toppin, rookie card, now playing insert to the Knicks. Jalen Smith to the Suns. And Deny, rookie, Wizards. Murray, Spurs. Hoyter to the Hawks. Simmons, Portland Trailblazers. Zach LaVine to the Bulls. Stephen Curry, Golden State to 199. 70 of 199. Sabonis to the Indiana Pacers. Nice hit, Mike. Onika, rookie card, Hawks. And Saben Lee, rookie, to the Pistons. Still have both autos in the box. Adams to the Thunder. Jaren Jackson, Grizzlies. Ingles to the Jazz. Jordan, Nets. First auto, Robert Woodard. Rookie card auto to the Sacramento Kings. Nice hit, Sacramento. Sam, congratulations, sir. Courtside, Paul George, Clippers. Martin to the Rockets. And Elijah Hughes, Jazz. Deladova, Cavaliers. White to the Spurs. Rose to the Pistons. Russell, T-Wolves. Randall, Knicks. Prime Twine, Stephen Curry. Aaron Naismith to the Celtics. And Obi Toppin, rookie card, Knicks. Kendrick Nunn to the Heat. Craig to the Nuggets. Christian Wood, Pistons. Luka Doncic, Dallas Mavericks. Jackson Hayes to the Pelicans. Nice. Green to 99. Cody Zeller to the Hornets. 32 of 99. Nice hit, Charlotte. There you go, Derek. Right behind it, probably a better Hornets card than the Cody Zeller. LaMelo Ball, rookie card, Charlotte Hornets. Once again, Derek, congratulations, sir. Nice hit. Azubuike, rookie card to the Jazz. Mo Bamba, Magic. Booker, Suns. Hayward, Celtics. George to the Clippers. Giannis, Bucks. Eric Paschal to Golden State. Rookie card, Flynn to the Raptors. And Atura, rookie card, Clippers. All right, guys, 3 packs left. When we're done, we will do a recap. Miles Bridges, Hornets. Gallinari, Thunder. LeBron James, Lakers. Jarrett Allen to the Nets. Desmond Mason to the Sonics. Autograph. Very nice. The Supersonics this will go to the Oklahoma City. So congrats, Oklahoma City. Who has OKC? Terry. Very nice hit, sir. Zero Gravity. Zach LaVine to the Bulls. McDaniels, Minnesota. And Vernon Carey, rookie, to the Hornets. Burton's, Wizards. Adebayo, Heat. Thibault, 76ers. Kyle Lowry, Toronto Raptors. Eric Gordon, Rockets. Tyrell Terry, now playing insert to the Mavericks. CJ Ellaby, rookie card, Portland. Skylar Mays, rookie, to the Hawks. All right, guys, last pack. After this, we will be listing a football break for later tonight. It will be a Mega Box retail mixer. Fultz, Magic, Alexander Thunder, Zion Williamson to the Pelicans. Brooke Lopez, Bucks, Stein, Dallas, Maxey. We got next rookie to the Sixers. Maxey, rookie card, Sixers. And Desmond Bane, rookie, Memphis Grizzlies. All right, guys, recap. We got a Karl Malone 1990 tribute insert to the Jazz. Anthony Davis, foil insert to the Lakers. Spark plugs, foil insert. R.J. Barrett to the Knicks. Cody Zeller, green to 99 to the Hornets. Sabonis, 199 silver to the Pacers. Shaquille O'Neal, Legends of the Game to 699 to the Lakers. To 999, Buddy Held, Futures of the Game to the Kings. Our rookies are Desmond Mason to the Sonics. That will go to Oklahoma City. Woodard, rookie auto to the Kings. Purple variation of Anthony Edwards, rookie card, Minnesota. Purple variation, Anthony Davis to the Lakers. Purple, Michael Porter Jr. to the Nuggets. Anthony Edwards, base rookie card, Minnesota. James Wiseman, rookie, Golden State. Halliburton, rookie card, Sacramento Kings. LaMelo Ball, rookie card, Charlotte Hornets. All right, guys, thanks for a great break. We'll be listening to a football mega mixer here in the next 15 minutes. And also, like I said, we have certified basketball on the way, hobby boxes. Hopefully, we'll have them by Thursday. Limited FOTL hobby boxes as well on the way. So hopefully, this will be an exciting Friday, Saturday, Sunday with brand new product. Thanks, guys.